In this video, we're going to talk about something really crazy. This video will take you to a place beyond Earth, so fasten your seatbelts because we're about to go on an incredible journey through the cosmos. We live in a vast universe filled with billions upon billions of stars, planets and other celestial bodies. But even with all this space out there, we humans have always felt a bit alone. That is, until now. Because scientists have just discovered some strange signals coming from Proxima Centauri, a star system located just 4 light years away from us, and these signals could be a real message from an alien civilization. We've heard about this a lot in science fiction movies, haven't we? A lone scientist sits at their computer, watching as strange signals appear on their screen. They try to decipher the message and soon realize that they're not alone in the universe. Well, it looks like this could become reality very soon. In recent years, scientists have been trying to detect signs of life beyond our planet. They've sent messages into space, hoping for a response, but so far, nothing has happened. That is until recently, because scientists have just discovered some strange signals coming from Proxima Centauri, a star system located just 4 light years away from us. And these signals could be a real message from an alien civilization. But here's the thing. Scientists are still trying to figure out if these signals are actually from aliens or if there's another explanation. That's why we need to get to the bottom of this. What are these strange signals, and could they really be a message from aliens? If you want to find out more, then make sure to watch this video till the end. According to scientists, the strange signals coming from Proxima Centauri were first detected in 2019 by the Breakthrough Listen project. This is an initiative that was set up to search for signs of life beyond our planet. The project uses radio telescopes to listen for signals coming from distant stars and planets. And it was while doing this that scientists detected some strange signals coming from Proxima Centauri. Now, Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star that is located in the Alpha Centauri system. It's about 4 light years away from us, and it has 2 planets. One of the planets is very similar to Earth and could potentially support life. The other planet is much larger, and it's not in the habitable zone of the star, so it's unlikely that it could support life. The signals that were detected by Breakthrough Listen were unusual because they didn't seem to be coming from any known natural sources. For example, stars don't emit radio waves that could have produced the signals, and pulsars are rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of radiation. They can produce radio waves, but they do so in a very regular pattern. The signals from Proxima Centauri didn't match this pattern either. At first, scientists thought that the signals might be coming from a satellite or some other human-made object, but they quickly ruled this out because no country had launched anything near Proxima Centauri. So where did the signals come from? To investigate further, scientists used the Parkes radio telescope in Australia to listen for signals from Proxima Centauri. They wanted to see if the signals that had been detected by Breakthrough Listen were a one-time event, or if they were happening regularly. And what they found was both surprising and exciting. The scientists detected a series of fast radio bursts coming from Proxima Centauri. These bursts lasted only a few milliseconds, but they were extremely bright. In fact, they were the brightest fast radio bursts that had ever been detected. Scientists have since named them fast radio bursts, FRB 1901, Aero 3, Aero 2, and FRB 1901, Aero 303 in honor of the year and day that they were detected. But here's the thing. Scientists still don't know what these fast radio bursts are. They've been detected all over the sky, and they seem to come from very distant galaxies. Some astronomers believe that fast radio bursts are caused by cataclysmic events, such as the collision of 2 neutron stars. Others think that they might be caused by magnetars. These are neutron stars with extremely strong magnetic fields. However, there is one theory that is more popular than the others. According to this theory, fast radio bursts are caused by alien civilizations. Now, this may sound far-fetched, but it's actually not that crazy. You see, radio waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation, and all forms of electromagnetic radiation travel at the speed of light. This means that if we detect radio waves coming from a distant star system, then we know that the signal was sent from that system. It didn't originate from somewhere else and then get misdirected. Of course, this doesn't prove that the signals are coming from aliens. It could be that they're being produced by some unknown natural phenomenon. but it's still an exciting possibility. So what do you think? Could these strange signals from Proxima Centauri really be a message from aliens? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I am really curious to hear what you think about this. Now let's move on to another really interesting aspect of this discovery. While scientists are still trying to figure out what these strange signals are, they have already started looking for more. That's right, they're now searching the skies for more signals from Proxima Centauri. And this time they're using an even more powerful telescope, the Very Large Array. The Very Large Array is located in New Mexico, and it's one of the most powerful radio telescopes in the world. It consists of 27 radio telescopes that are spread out over a huge area. They're all linked together to form one giant telescope. This telescope is so powerful that it can detect signals from objects that are much farther away than Proxima Centauri. Scientists are hoping to use it to detect more fast radio bursts from Proxima Centauri, and if they can do that, then it will be a sign that these bursts are coming from the star system intentionally. The scientists are also using the Very Large Array to search for other types of signals from Proxima Centauri. For example, they're looking for what are known as techno-signatures. Techno-signatures are artificial radio signals that could be produced by a civilization of aliens. Scientists have not yet detected any techno-signatures from Proxima Centauri, but they're still searching. And who knows what they might find? Maybe one day they'll detect a signal that is clearly artificial in origin. Maybe they'll find a radio broadcast beamed directly at Earth. At that point, we can be sure that we're not alone in the universe. Now imagine the impact that this would have on humanity. We've always wondered whether or not we were alone in the universe. And if we are, then we've been searching for answers for a long time. With the discovery of fast radio bursts and other strange signals from Proxima Centauri, it seems like we may finally have our answer. If we are not alone in the universe, then it would be a truly amazing discovery. It would change our understanding of the universe forever. Of course, it could also be dangerous. We don't know what kind of civilizations are out there. There's a chance that they could be hostile and pose a threat to Earth. However, I think that the benefits of making contact with an alien civilization would far outweigh the risks. We would learn so much about the universe and our place in it. We would also have the opportunity to make new friends and allies. I think that the discovery of alien life would be one of the most exciting things that could ever happen to humanity. It would be a truly amazing adventure. It's important to note that scientists are still investigating the signals from Proxima Centauri, and we don't know for sure what they are. It's possible that they're not coming from aliens at all. However, it's still an exciting possibility, and one that we should definitely explore further. With the help of powerful telescopes like the Very Large Array, we may just be able to detect more signals from Proxima Centauri. If we do, then it will bring us one step closer to finding out whether or not we are alone in the universe. What do you think? Could these strange signals from Proxima Centauri really be a message from aliens? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear what you think about this. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you're excited for our next adventure together. Until then, keep looking up and keep believing in the impossible. Who knows? You never know what you might discover. In the meantime, check out this playlist of similar videos that I think you'll enjoy. Thank you for watching. Take care and remember, the universe is full of wonders. All you have to do is look up and believe in the impossible. See you next time.